Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're shopping for a blender this year, you've probably seen a flood of models claiming high power, smooth blends, and smart features. But not all of them live up to the hype. Some crush anything you throw at them, others struggle with frozen fruit and ice. In this video, I've ranked the top 5 blenders that actually perform. Whether you're making smoothies, nut butters, or crushing ice for frozen drinks. If you find something you need, I've dropped all the links in the description for you. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell. I keep the reviews real and straight to the point. Let's get into it. Starting with number 5. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Power Elite. Let's kick things off with the Hamilton Beach Power Elite. A budget-friendly workhorse that punches above its weight class for families who need reliable blending performance. If you're looking for solid results without emptying your wallet, this blender deserves your attention for its straightforward design and dependable operation that handles everyday blending tasks. With its 700-watt motor and wave action system, this blender delivers surprisingly good blending performance that handles smoothies, protein shakes, and basic food prep with ease. The unique jar design creates a vortex that pulls ingredients down toward the blades, reducing the need for stopping and scraping during blending. What sets it apart is the simple control system with preset buttons for specific tasks like smoothies, ice crushing, and pulsing. The 40-ounce glass jar feels sturdy and cleans easily, while the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and convenient after use. The build quality feels solid for the price point, with Hamilton Beach's reliable construction ensuring consistent performance for basic blending needs. The blender operates at reasonable noise levels and takes up minimal counter space in most kitchens. Where it shines, excellent value for money, wave action technology works well, easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe parts, and simple operation that anyone can master. Where it falls short, motor isn't powerful enough for tough ingredients like nuts or hard vegetables, and the glass jar can be heavy when full. Who's it for? It's perfect for budget-conscious families, college students, or anyone who wants reliable blending performance for basic smoothies and shakes, all without complicated features. Bottom line, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite strikes a solid balance between performance, simplicity, and affordability. If you want dependable blending power with easy operation and good value, this blender is a smart choice for most households. Number 4. Nutribullet Pro. 900 sliding into number 4 is the Nutribullet Pro 900, a refined, powerful personal blender that blends proven performance with smart improvements, perfect for individuals who need serious blending power for daily nutrition routines. This isn't just another personal blender. It's a thoughtful upgrade that delivers enhanced power and better capacity. Thanks to the upgraded 900-watt motor and improved blade design, you get excellent blending power that handles tough ingredients like frozen fruits, nuts, and seeds with impressive efficiency. Whether you're making protein smoothies or green drinks with leafy vegetables, this blender provides consistent results. The blender's enhanced cup system includes multiple sizes for different portion needs, from single servings to larger batches for sharing. The extraction blades create smooth, consistent textures that break down even fibrous ingredients, while the easy flip tops make drinks portable for busy lifestyles. What really sets this generation apart is the refined balance of power and convenience. The blender provides restaurant-quality results while maintaining the compact footprint that makes it perfect for small kitchens or limited counter space. You'll find excellent build quality and reliable operation. Construction quality feels dependable throughout with Nutribullet's proven materials and engineering. The blender operates efficiently with minimal prep work required, and the overall design prioritizes both performance and user convenience for daily use. Who's it for? It's perfect for health-conscious individuals, busy professionals, or anyone needing powerful personal blending with reliable performance for daily nutrition and wellness routines. Bottom line, the Nutribullet Pro 900 isn't just an upgrade. It's refined, powerful, and feature-rich enough to satisfy users who need serious blending capability. If you want noticeable improvements in blending power with personal convenience, this one checks all the boxes. Number 3. Breville Fresh and Furious. At number 3, we've got the Breville Fresh and Furious, an innovative blender built for users who want premium features without flagship pricing. If you're tired of blenders that struggle with texture control or lack versatility, this one changes the game. With its advanced blade system and intelligent design, it's built to deliver professional-level results while giving you the control needed for various recipes. What sets it apart is the innovative blade system that includes both blending and chopping capabilities in one unit. You get excellent versatility for everything from smooth purees to chunky salsas, while the powerful motor handles tough ingredients without straining or overheating during extended use. The build quality is premium and dependable. The intuitive control panel provides precise speed control and preset programs, while the high-quality materials ensure long-term reliability. You'll find the blender excels at both liquid and solid ingredients, making it perfect for households that want one appliance for multiple tasks. One of the standout features is how the blender handles different textures and consistencies. The variable speed control allows precise texture adjustment, while the pulse function provides additional control for chunky preparations and ingredient incorporation. The premium construction extends to the design and user experience, with thoughtful details that make operation intuitive and cleanup straightforward. The blender also includes practical features like measurement markings and pour spouts for convenient serving. Who's it for? This blender is perfect for cooking enthusiasts, versatile home chefs, or anyone who wants premium blending features with comprehensive texture control and reliable performance. Bottom line, the Breville Fresh and Furious isn't just another blender. It's a versatile kitchen tool built for users who want professional results. If you want advanced features with solid versatility, this model absolutely deserves its spot in the top 3. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest blender reviews are coming your way, and no need to dig around. I've dropped all the links you need right there in the description. Number 2. Ninja Professional Plus Duo, BN751. Coming in at number 2 is the Ninja Professional Plus Duo, BN751, a smart and capable blender that's taken a big step forward in versatility and convenience features. What sets the Ninja Professional Plus Duo apart from the rest is its dual jar system and comprehensive performance, giving you full-size blending plus personal cup convenience that other blenders simply can't match. Unlike single jar blenders that force you to choose between capacity and convenience, Ninja's Professional Plus Duo delivers impressive performance with both a large 72-ounce pitcher and personal cups for individual servings. The blender rewards users with flexibility while providing consistent results across different blending tasks and portion sizes. One of the standout features is the total crushing technology that pulverizes ice and tough ingredients with remarkable efficiency, creating smooth textures for frozen drinks and smoothies. The unit feels well-engineered, giving you confidence whether you're making family-sized batches or quick personal drinks. The Professional Plus Duo also includes proven Ninja reliability with quality construction that provides excellent performance across demanding blending scenarios. You get intuitive controls with preset programs, while the comprehensive accessory set handles various blending needs from smoothies to food prep. Build quality stays consistently high with Ninja's refined design and engineering. The blender includes dishwasher-safe components for easy cleanup, while the overall package feels truly capable of handling whatever blending challenges you encounter in daily cooking. Who's it for? It's perfect for busy families, versatile cooks, or anyone who wants comprehensive blending capability with both large batch and personal serving convenience in one appliance. Bottom line, the Ninja Professional Plus Duo, BN751, redefines what a versatile blender can deliver. With dual jar convenience, powerful performance, and reliable operation, it's easily one of the most capable options for households needing flexibility. And finally, my number 1 pick, Vitamix 5200. Topping the list is the Vitamix 5200, a next-generation blender that combines proven power, cutting-edge durability, and top-tier performance into one complete blending masterpiece. Whether you're serious about nutrition, run a busy kitchen, or simply want the best blender available, this model delivers professional quality results with exceptional reliability and comprehensive capability. What sets the Vitamix 5200 apart is its incredible 2-horsepower motor that achieves restaurant-quality blending while maintaining smooth operation across all ingredients and textures. Unlike other powerful blenders that struggle with consistency, the 5200 provides reliably excellent performance with professional-grade results that justify the investment. Smart engineering is built right in. The blender's aircraft-grade stainless steel blades handle everything from delicate herbs to tough root vegetables, while the variable speed control provides precise texture management for any recipe requirement. Whether you're making smooth nut butters or chunky soups, the blender responds exactly as expected. The refined construction reaches its peak here with Vitamix's premium materials and proven engineering excellence. Build quality is absolutely dependable with attention to detail that shows in every aspect of the blender's performance. The comprehensive warranty demonstrates confidence in long-term reliability and customer satisfaction. The complete design includes everything a serious user needs, while the versatile performance makes it suitable for any blending challenge. The blender works equally well for daily smoothies and demanding commercial-style food preparation tasks throughout professional and home kitchens. Who's it for? It's the ideal choice for serious cooks who want the best possible blending experience with maximum power, comprehensive durability, and the most refined blending technology available. Bottom line, the Vitamix 5200 is the total package. With outstanding power, exceptional durability, and comprehensive performance packed into the most refined design available, it's the ultimate blender for anyone who refuses to settle for average blending results and wants professional capability. And that wraps up my countdown of the best blenders you can get this year. Whether you're blending smoothies, crushing ice, or making nut butter from scratch, this list proves there's a perfect fit for every kitchen. From the budget-friendly Hamilton Beach Power Elite to the powerhouse Vitamix 5200, each one brings something unique to the table. If you found one that matches your blending goals, I've dropped all the links in the description for you. No digging needed. So, which one's your top pick? Drop it in the comments. I read and reply to everyone. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More sharp, honest blender reviews are on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.